हेलो दोस्तों, स्टडी विद प्रभ चैनल पे आप सबका स्वागत है। एक नए मॉक टेस्ट के साथ एक बार फिर हाजिर हूँ। आज का ये मॉक टेस्ट कंप्यूटर की नॉलेज के ऊपर रहने वाला है। 46 क्वेश्चंस हैं टोटल, जो जेबीटी और टीजीटी चंडीगढ़ के लिए बनाया गया है। स्टार्ट करते हैं। एट विच बटन इज हेल्प मेन्यू अवेलेबल? यू कैन कीप योर पर्सनल फाइल्स और फोल्डर्स इन data that is copied from an application is stored in the all the deleted files go to the rectangular area of the screen that displays a program, data, or information is a dash contains commands that can be selected. Generally, you access the recycle bin through an icon located at what menu is selected to cut, copy, and paste. What is a file? वीडियो को पॉज करके आप ऑप्शंस को अच्छे से पढ़ सकते हो। When you cut or copy information, it gets placed in the deleted data remains on a disk until which is a graphical representation of an application. The sidebar in a window or word processor that has an arrow on both ends and a box in the middle that you use your mouse to move the pages up and down. To shrink a window to an icon. Something which has easily understood instructions is said to be the portion that shows all the choices you can make while working in a window is called the A or an dash contains commands that can be selected. Dash is a small image that represents a program, an instruction, a file, or some other object. A dash is an icon on the desktop that provides a user with immediate access to a program or file. Date and time are available on the desktop at a symbol on the screen that represents a disk, document, or program that you can select. To maximize a window means to dash. Choices are referred to as a place that a user can create to store files. Commands at the top of a screen such as file, edit, font tools to operate and change settings within programs. Which elements of a Word document can be displayed in color? A collection of related information sorted and dealt with as a unit is a MS Word is an example of the blinking point which shows your position in the text is called which application is commonly used to prepare a presentation or slideshow. The quickest and easiest way in Word to locate a particular word or phrase in a document is to use the command. What kind of software would you most likely use to keep track of a billing account? What are BIOS, doc, and HTM examples of? A dash is a unique name that you give to a file of information. Editing documents consists of reading through the document you have created, then in a database, dash fields store numbers used to perform calculation. All of the following terms are associated with spreadsheet software except. What is the main folder on a storage device called? For creating a document, you use dash menu. A dash is created by an application. Two different files can have the same name if dash. Meaningful file name helps in easy file. A program that enables you to perform calculations involving rows and columns of numbers is called a. To dash a document means to make changes to its existing content. Periodically adding, changing, and deleting file records is called file dash. Last question is, how do you save a presentation under a new file name? अपनी प्रोग्रेस चेक कीजिए, देखिए आपके स्कोर कितने हैं। आंसर की का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है, उसको डाउनलोड कीजिए और मैच कीजिए। ऐसे ही और वीडियोस को देखने के लिए और प्रैक्टिस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।